There's nothing to double to.
What are you doing?
What's up?
He's like right here.
Oh, man.
What's up? How is everyone today? We're here at the New Jersey State Championship at Raceway Park in Englishtown, New Jersey.
This actually doesn't look too wet.
Yeah,
They put a lot of mulch in it.
It's a little bit wet.
I'm not going out for first practice.
Neither am I. I'm going out for like
Vet.
7th grade.
Yeah, vet.
I got my new 110, man. Yo, yesterday, some kid got cross-rider right here. Right here.
Oh no, this wasn't a good idea. Oh no. Kenny, why'd you let me do this? Oh wow, you can.
Oh shit. Okay.
On the inside.
You can't see that from out there.
No. And then you go straight in the woods. Yeah.
You couldn't see that from over there.
Are you gonna double it?
I'm gonna try to double it. Once this dries out.
Yeah, just don't overshoot it. There's really no way with it.
No, you just lay it flat if you do.
Dude, there's a huge rock over on that side.
Single in, and you could.
Not a lot of guys.
I don't think guys are doing it. You guys, I'm on a treadmill. You take the outside and rail it, you might be able to triple it.
No.
Triple it? No.
Maybe Tomac could.
Yeah. That's a lot to triple.
The pros would probably do it.
Yeah.
They get more of a lip on this front jump.
Even this double's kind of long.
This
I
is
guess
all
because we're
cake.
walking it.
This is nasty. They better fix that shit.
Go again. Go again.
They better fix that shit. I swear to God. It's just mud. What?
Good product placement.
You need your energy for the ride, especially when you. That's the way you turn around.
How you feeling?
Alright, I guess. There's a little muddy out there.
Was a little muddy. Was a tad bit muddy. Can't tell because the bikes are clean, but.
And we only use like 10 to 15 gallon water.
Oh yeah. Is this guy gonna rail it or what? No stop. What do you think, Kenny? What's gonna be the key to victory today?
Staying on two wheels.
Is this like Loretta Lynn's too?
Slightly less.
Slightly less muddy, but
not too far off.
you haven't seen the whole track. There are some swamp
I
sections.
would like to ride that track.
Yusef's first race.
What up, yo?
What up? You ready?
Is that the Hero 8?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just got it.
It's awesome.
You gotta check out these chin mounts, dude. They flip on like that.
That is
Called
sick.
Dango Design.
That's it. There.
Good.
Yeah.
Super slippery.
It is slick, right?
Yeah, slippery.
All right. Main question in this turn: inside, outside, or middle?
Good morning. On behalf of
Outside.
Outside.
Yeah. Where you're hitting?
I did ride the outside.
All right.
Yeah.
Welcome you to
Slippery Films on YouTube.
I keep thinking it's a dog.
I'll film you if you film me.
I got you. It's what, blue collar racing?
Blue Collar Films.
Blue collar film.
I'm just Jim.
How'd you do in that moto?
He's just Jim on Instagram.
Hey.